Have fun, learning to fly, learning to run. Let my heart decide the way when I was young. Deep down I must have always known that this will be inevitable. To earn my stripes I have to pay and bear my soul. I know I'm not the only one who regrets the things they've done. Sometimes I just feel it's only me who can send the reflection that they see. I wish I could live a little more, look up to the sky, not just the floor. I feel like my life is flashing by, and all I can do is watch and cry. I miss the air, I miss my friend, I miss my mother, I miss it when life was a party to be thrown, but that was a million years ago. When I walked around all of the streets where I grew up and found my feet, they don't look me in the eyes, just like they're scared of me. I try to think of things to say, like a joke or a memory. They don't recognize me now in the light of day. I know I'm not the only one who regrets the things they've done. Sometimes I just feel it's only me who never became who they thought they'd be. I wish I could live a little more, look up to the sky, not just the floor. I feel like my life is flashing by, and all I can do is watch and cry. I miss the air, I miss my friends, I miss my mother, I miss it when life was a party to be thrown, but that was a million years ago.
We're happy, but the feeling is bittersweet. It's the beginning of a new phase for us and the end of another. We are leaving home. Home isn't only a place where people of the same blood live. Home is home because of the people in it, either of the same blood or not. And surely, I'm glad that my home consists of the people around me today. Leaving this place is hard. Hearing the janitor's good mornings every day, followed by our laughs and loud expressions during the day, which are commented by our lovely teachers, the staff's announcements that are sometimes ignored but very much appreciated, and the principal's advices that guided our ways. First, I would like to thank each and every one of our teachers and staff for never giving up on us, for never stopping to believe in us, for never doubting our abilities, for always devoting yourselves in the work you do, just to help us reach the level that we are here today. Second, I am very lucky to have friends like you guys, for putting your things aside and helping another in anything they go through, for giving me advices and comments that help me go through the day. 15 years wouldn't have flown like that if it weren't for you guys. And last and most importantly, I would like to thank my parents for doing the best they can just to make me happy, for always pushing me forward, for always believing in me, and for never giving up on me, even if they were at the level where they were going to give up. To wrap it up, my high school experience is what shaped me, what made me the person that I am today. And the people I built, and the family that I built here, and the memories we created will always be in my heart throughout my journey, either up or down. And it's going to motivate me to keep going, because that is exactly what I learned in my environment. Thank you.